Introducing the sleek and stylish 2019 Ford S-Max ST line in blue, with manual transmission and only 4,363 miles on the clock. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, cruise control, and lane departure warning, this MPV is perfect for your family adventures. With luxurious interior trim and advanced security measures like anti-collision system and traffic sign recognition, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle comes with a full health and safety check, service to manufacturer standards, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information. Experience the Ford difference today.